To our distinguished faculty of the College of Medicine, headed by my classmate, my seatmate, Dr. Pablo Reyes Hidalgo, the Assistant Dean of the College of Medicine, Dr. Minet Gonzalo, proud parents, our university officials, our BPA, Dr. Rolando Binobaro, and our VP for Finance and Administration, Sir Albert Tejero, and of course, our VP for Research and Extension, Dr. Fatima Rocamora. And most importantly, to our newest batch of physicians, our proud alumni of this university, our dear university. Limbag nga bigat tayo amin Pilipinas. I say Philippines, the fact that our new set of physicians came from all over the Philippines. May Region 1, Region 2, Region 3, as far as Visayas, and Mindanao, the different islands of the Visayas and Mindanao. So I stand before you today not just as your humble president, but as a witness. A witness to a history, to a miracle. We gather not merely to celebrate the passing rate, but to honor the triumph of our human spirit.
Naka-live na si Mami
Look at the people in this in our dear gymnasium. Look at your classmates. Each of you carries a story of late nights fueled by coffee and determination. Sana hindi yung 3-in-1 na coffee. A story of borrowed hopes, loans, and shared dreams. A story of a family who sacrificed everything so you could have this one chance. Today, that story has a new chapter. You are now a doctor. And today, that story has golden page. For the first time in the history of our beloved University of Northern Philippines, a graduate of our College of Medicine has risen to the very top. To our top-notcher, Dr. Angela Arma, and her parents, please stand to be recognized. Dr. Angela. Walang mga parents. Okay, let's give Dr. Angela another round of applause. So congratulations for making or placing UNP at the history books of medicine. Pero wag pa nating payagan mag-retire si Dr. Quedado. She's already, sabi niya may top na chair na tayo, sir, pwede na akong mag-retire. He's still very young. He's still 61 years old. I'm older. I'm older than Dr. Quedado by how many months? 4 months to be exact.
61 na pala si Doc.
You did not just pass. You soared. You have placed our university's flag on the highest peak in the north. You have proven that excellence is not a matter of privilege, but a gift. You have demonstrated to our entire nation that a scholar from a state university can compete with and even surpass the best in the country. We are immeasurably proud of you. Thank you for this gift of honor. And actually, Actually, while looking at the top lectures, I'm quite amazed why there's no top lecture coming from the University of the Philippines. Am I right, Kapatid? So that is a manifestation that really we can compete from among the best medical schools in the country. But let me speak directly to every single one of you who passed, especially to those of you who are scholars. You were chosen not because of your grades, but because of your promise. You were given a chance because this university believes that a doctor's heart should not be limited by a family's wallet. You know the struggle. You know what it means to count every peso. You know what it means to see your parents work until they are so tired so you can study. You know the weight of expectation. That weight is not a burden. It is your superpower. Because you have seen the face of struggle, you will never be a doctor who is blind to the pain of the poor. You have lived it. You understand it. And this is my deepest, most heartfelt request to you. As you go out into the world, do not forget the marginalized sectors in our society. Do not forget the long lines at the public health center. Do not forget the grandmother who walks miles just to get a checkup. Our nation doesn't need doctors who only want to build empires of wealth. Our nation needs healers. We are sending you with a happy heart, not because UNP has done its part, but because you believe in doctors to the barrios, in RHUs, and provincial hospitals. Please serve the last mile communities where the only light at night is the moon and the hope is a doctor who cares. You are not just a product of a state university. You are a servant of the people. Your license is not a ticket to a comfortable life. It is a mandate to serve. Go to those who have less in life because they need you the most. Be the doctor who listens. Be the doctor who stays. Be the doctor who heals with both science and compassion. To the College of Medicine, our faculty, and to our Dean, Dr. Pablo Reyes Quedado, and his partner, Assistant Dean Dr. Divineta Gonzalo, you have really done the impossible. You have molded gold from the raw one of potential. You have not only produced a top-notcher, but also a class of physicians who are dedicated to serving the nation. This is your legacy. To our new doctors, the world will try to tell you that you are not enough, that you come from a small school, that you are just a state university graduate. Please do not listen. You are the answer to a nation's prayer. You are the proof that when you give brilliant students whose dreams are bigger than what we have a chance, they will change the world. But do not start with the world. I remember the speech of one of our guest speakers in one of the clusters, wherein a graduate wanted immediately to change the world. When he failed, he tried to change the nation. When he failed, he wanted the province, and the community. It is only that time when he realized that he should start the change from within himself. So change should start from yourself before changing your environment and eventually change the nation and the world. It should be the other way around. As your president, I bless your hands, may they be steady. I bless your minds, may they be wise. And I bless your hearts, may they remain humble. Manos cor mens. That's our university motto. Go now, serve with people, heal with passion, and always remember the university where you came from.
Mira yung sira.
The University of Northern Philippines. Congratulations, our dear doctors of UNP. The nation is waiting for you. Agbyag kayo amin.